Take a big spoon. Don't laugh. What is it? Fish cakes.
Take 5 fish cakes.
My name is Siba Mtongana, Miss Sibalicious. I'm in the TASTETube kitchen and I'm making fabulous fish cakes. The first thing that I do is I steam not my mashed potatoes, but my mashed, ta-da, butternut. Hannah, I need you, Miss Kitchen Fairy.
Yes, girl.
Yes, so
Magic.
if you don't mind to please mash this for me. And it mustn't be finely mashed. I don't like it pureed. I like it roughly mashed because in that way the fish cakes can hold together.
Amazing.
So what do we have in there? We sauteed the onion, garlic, spring onion with the curry powder, and we had the butternut, which we roughly mashed. Now we've just added a secret ingredient, smoked barbecue sauce. Not the plain one, it's the smoked barbecue sauce. It is packed with flavor. Now the flour to finish it off to make sure that everything mixes together. Now, for the moment we've been waiting for, I'm using canned tuna, 4 of them. You can use 2, you can do 2 if you've got 2, you can use 2, but I like to have more fish than I have any other ingredient. I've got a way of making sure that my fish cakes are crunchy but nice and soft on the inside. Remember, we're not cooking the fish cakes, we are simply browning them. So as soon as they're nice and golden, we turn. Oh, looks absolutely amazing. Can you see? The panko makes the fish cake a lot more crispier. That's why I go for it. What we're going to do now is switch off the heat. Yes.
It's a bit of an anticlimax.